Today in a quick speed shop, I'm loading up the van and the trailer once again, and we're going looking for old Ford parts. Here we go. Here we go, we're on the road. It's a rainy, nasty, cold day, but it's also a good day to go get some junk. And the leaves are out. Maybe we'll see some fall foliage along the way. So I'm going to some guy's house. He's got a 47 Ford, I think. I'm not sure what body style, but he's street rodding it. So he's got all the original suspension, which is supposed to be in good shape. Front axle, brakes, wheels, tires, rear axle, brakes, wheels, tires. Hopefully it springs with it. So I'm going to run up into the city and go to that guy's house, and we'll see what we find. Well, there we go. I just loaded up here in where are we? Irondequoit. How do I get on the highway? How do I get on the highway? This is dead end. Got the suspension on the back of the trailer. 47 Ford to 24,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna get back onto the highway. Aha! Well, here I am. Here what I got. Front and rear suspension out of a 47 Ford. Guy said the car's a little mild, like 23,000 miles. It's in nice shape, not a lot of pitting on it. I got the shocks, the suspension, the springs, the hydraulic brakes, real nice wheels. All four tires to hold air. So I swung by Jack Mann's house here to see if he wanted to see it, but he's not here. So I'm going to use his driveway to shoot the outro here. So anyways, that's what I got. Just a little trip down there. You got to buy this Ford stuff when you see it. But thanks for watching this little quick trip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little button right here, bink, over here on the front end. Go ahead and hit that to subscribe. Put out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.